What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, new trade recap. Coming into today, I ended up taking one trade, and the trade was to London session high as target. Again, so coming into the day here, price was clearly bullish, right? Yesterday, we had the new day opening gap. Right here, we opened lower, swept sell side, and then I wanted to see how we were going to react overnight. Overnight, we ended up trading higher, creating a change in state of delivery, and then putting London high. So this told me that that was the objective for the day. Price change of state of delivery, and we're clearly bullish, right? In order for me to be bearish, we need to invalidate this range. We clearly validating this range. Again, at 7 a.m., we open, go lower into discount, and then 8 a.m. closes above this bearish gap, meaning this is the drawn liquidity. So what did I wait for coming into the morning? At first, I wanted to see how we would react here, but 9:30 decided to overextend and take this low again. So we overextended, took this low, creating a sweep, a stop, right? A sweep of sell side, right? Creating a protected low. So 9:30 immediately open lower, giving us that morning Judas. Once we did that, we put in an SMT inside of the key level, inside of the higher time frame PD rate, inside of discount. Then price inverse the 4-minute IFEG right here, 4-minute fair value gap, creating an IFEG, and then we tap right into the 4-minute inverse fair value gap, and that was my entry. Again, I know you guys are probably saying, but there's a 5-minute up top. I don't care about the 5-minute in this occasion because 9:30 is clearly opening lower. So at the time we did SMT this high, but the drawn liquidity is so clear here that there's no intermediate term high. There's really nothing here. We're inside of a bullish breaker. We haven't created a bearish breaker. We're still bullish. Bullish PD rates are still holding. So again, this just looks so clear to me. So again, once price ended up tapping me in, I went long. Price closed above 9:30. Again, as you can see, 9:45 we tapped into this order block below 9:30. That could have been another adding opportunity, but again, I wanted to wait. I understand it's Monday, it's really early into the week, and I'm risking 350 on this trade. It was like 360 if I put my stop all the way down here, but it was around here. It was like 340 something or 350 something, right? Then price ended up taking the high, and I was like, okay, we're most likely gonna be bullish. So I went full break even, and then once ES took London session high, that's when I fully closed my position because again, it's a Monday, so we don't know if it's gonna actually go to London high or not. So again, and there was no external draw. There was like equal highs or I don't know, like a 1 hour unfilled here, then I would wait. But even then, I don't know. It's just you take what the market gives. So if there's an SMT there, I'm holding. I'm gonna take what is given. Like holding this, I don't know what would happen, right? So I wouldn't hold this. And plus, like, even though the objective got taken, it just solidifies more that my drawn liquidity was right. And boom, we're right here. So I'm happy about that. And I'm happy about this trade. Good way to bounce back after coming from a losing week. We already made half of our loss back, which is crazy. It goes to show what consistency and just being process focused is, right? So I'm happy. I'm done for the day. I closed already. I locked myself out of all my accounts, so I'm up 350 across my accounts. So great way to start the week. You take what is given, and I did exactly that. Traded the daily profile, and I'm done for the day. So with that being said, I hope you guys had a good trading day. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope other than that, I'll see you guys next trade recap. Peace. Alrighty.